Hello, space travelers. My name is Jim DiPaolo. Please join me in Astronomy 101 as we review our place in the universe, starting with our own Milky Way galaxy. Learn how the solar system, containing the Sun, 8 major planets, and countless billions of minor planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and unclassified lumps of ice and rock, formed around 4.5 billion years ago. We will tour the constellations and all the wonders they contain. We will uncover the life cycle of a star, explore galaxies, nebulae, and star clusters. Discover the reason for our moon's lunar phases and investigate why we experience both solar and lunar eclipses. We'll take a close look at telescope designs, their strengths and weaknesses. This course is perfect for anyone that has the desire to explore our universe and to learn some of the methods astronomers use to explain and discover many of the deep sky objects in our cosmos. Please join me on this cosmic journey through the expanding universe. Astronomy 102 will take you on a journey exploring the 8 major planets that are contained within our solar system. We'll take a look at Mercury, the smallest planet in our solar system, and then travel 31 million miles to Venus, a world that more than likely mirrored the Earth in its early life. We'll fly past the Earth, arriving on Mars, the fourth rock from the Sun, orbiting in an average distance of 142 million miles. Discover Olympus Mons, a great volcanic plateau on Mars and home to the largest volcano in the solar system, twice the height of Mount Everest. After crossing the asteroid belt, we'll arrive at Jupiter, a gas giant and the largest planet in our solar system. Home of 79 moons, including the infamous 4 Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, first discovered by Galileo in 1610 using his homemade telescope. Moving on to Saturn with its brilliant ring system, a planet alive with storms of unimaginable ferocity and a world of alien weather where diamonds rain down from the sky. We'll examine some amazing information we received from the Voyager 2 spacecraft as it flew past the ice giants Uranus and Neptune. Last, we'll travel back to our own planet Earth, located in the so-called Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, but just right for the development of life as we know it. This course is perfect for anyone having the desire to explore the 8 planets in all their splendor. In astronomy, most of the objects that we study are completely beyond our reach. Even light, which travels at a speed of 186,000 miles per second, takes more than 4 years to reach us from the nearest star. If we want to learn about the sun and stars, we must rely on techniques that allow us to analyze them from a distance. Electromagnetic radiation carries a lot of information about the nature of stars and other astronomical objects. Astronomy 103 will take an in-depth look at the field of spectroscopy, the structure of the atom, and the formation of spectral lines. We will describe the tools astronomers use to extend their vision into space, including telescopes, visible light detectors, observations outside Earth's atmosphere, radio telescopes, and the future of large telescopes. Ever since people first wandered the planet Earth, great significance has been given to the celestial objects that were observed in the night sky. Many different names and mythical stories have been ascribed to the star patterns we know as the constellations. The constellation class will review in detail many constellations, including ones that can be observed in the northern hemisphere, examining their Greek mythology dating back to 900 BC. Students will also be introduced to many of the celestial wonders that are contained within these constellations. Galileo, the father of modern astronomy course, will explore the life of Galileo Galilei, an Italian natural philosopher, astronomer, and mathematician. Galileo made fundamental contributions to the sciences of motion, astronomy, and more. Examine his early life, amazing inventions, discoveries, and finally his trial for heresy. Observing the Sun class will explore the Sun in its finest details through a solar telescope. Depending on the Sun's activity during our viewing session, you will see the fine feather-like details of the faintest prominence, the bright birth of a solar flare, its rapid growth of energy, and its departure from the Sun's surface into space. You will see caterpillar worm-like structures snaking across the Sun's surface. spirals of gas activity spewing and churning from the active regions above sunspots. Now, the Observing the Night Sky class will explore the universe through a telescope at night, take in views of galaxies like Andromeda, the closest galaxy to our own Milky Way. We'll also view nebulae, globular, and open star clusters. Please join me in one or more of these exciting astronomy classes being offered at Master the Possibilities.